Hey guys, Aaron here. Welcome back to another video of Subnautica. Okay, you ready? We're gonna play. So, this time I'm gonna try to make a base. Let's try to make a base here. So, habitat builder. What do I need? I need a wiring kit, computer chip, and a battery. Oh, I've had trouble with this. I've played other survival games. Oh, I have trouble. Why? Copper wire. I need copper wire for the wiring kit. Well, not the wiring kit, but the computer chip. I need gold and okay, the table coral samples are easy. So, technically, and a battery. Those two things are easy. I'll just go for this. Okay, I'm done with the 2 acid mushrooms for the battery. Now I just need table coral. No, my table coral. Think it was 2 table coral. I'll just grab 2 just in case. Come on. Okay, I got him. Okay, let's go in here. Now the only thing I'm missing is 1 piece of gold, and I just do not like it when I can't find gold. Gold is probably the hardest one for me to find. See, I already got those done. A battery. Oh, I'm forgetting copper. I need copper. Ugh, not copper. I hate getting copper. How many of those creature eggs are there? Okay. What is that? Limestone. Copper, yes, that's one thing I need. Oh, crap. Oh, that scared me. Yep. I just got bit. Is it still after me? No, it's not. I should probably go back to my knife. Oh, that scared me. Sorry. But that scared me. If I had a face cam, oh, you would have seen. But I don't have a face cam right now. Oh. Okay, I can make a battery. Yes. Okay. Look, I got one small part done. Time to go into some caves. Oh, wait. Before I make the habitat builder and go into caves, I have an idea. The high capacity. Oh, silver, 2 glass, 4 titanium. Wait a minute. Ingots. Glass, 2 quartz, so 4 quartz. I need 4 quartz. Quartz is easy to get. When I say it's easy, it's easy. Oopsie. You just need to go in a random cave. Even if it's not a cave, it's easy to find it. And if you're lucky, you'll find some limestone. Titanium. Sweet. Quartz. Uh-oh. Better look out for those exploding fish. I need 4 titanium. Okay. Yeah, I'm gonna go. Oh, there's one more. I'm gonna grab this and then go. Okay, I'm getting out of here. Oh, do you guys remember that place? I got stuck in there and almost died. Well, not almost, but I did die from nowhere. Well, not died, but I got knocked out. Oh, sweet. Okay, we're gonna go do this. High capacity. Here I come. Oh, yes, quartz. Sorry. If I'm lucky. Oh, crap! Oh, why is that in here? Why is that thing in here? Why does this thing go in caves? It's still after me. 2 times. I definitely wish I had a face cam. Would have been funny for you guys to watch me get scared by those monsters. Ugh. So mean. Okay, I'm 100 health now. Let's do this. Okay, guys, just a second. Okay, guys, I just had to eat dinner and do other things. Okay, so I'm back. Okay, so high capacity is go here. Got all these. Whoa, it's rocking. Okay, I am trying to get this, just reviewing. Just need 4 titanium and silver ore. Whoa! Better be careful. Sorry, I call it monster, but I'm like, what is it's not a monster. It's just a really deadly fish that nobody likes. It's annoying. What? Fudgy? Why is that still in here? Ah! Somebody save me! What-oh. Running out of air. Better go through this. Oh, yes. Sweet, a loot spot. I found a loot spot. Yes. Oh, no, my oxygen. I found a loot spot. I can get all my old stuff that I dropped. Uh-oh. Give me that titanium. And I am out of here. Oh, no, I have a radio call. Why is that thing chasing me? I think I've lost it right now. For now. Copper is a good thing. If I get too low on oxygen. Yes, there's so much. Copper? Okay, I'm gonna go back and come back here. Oh, okay, I'm running low. It's gonna say oxygen any second now. But luckily, okay, that monster, not monster, but deadly fish is gonna come after me, maybe. No, I see it. Good day. Good thing I've already cleared a path, so it's pretty much safe. Up to the point where it hasn't been looted, it's pretty dang safe. Titanium. Yeah, see, it's pretty safe. I don't know about here, but okay. Whoa, no! Ah! Ah! Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! Ah! Oh my goodness, I just took a bunch of damage there. Oh no, I gotta go home and heal myself. Oh, that was scary. I'm gonna take more metal salvage. Oh. Oh no, my oxygen. That was creepy. I ran into so many things. First, I got when those things exploded in my face. Second, I got bit by that fish again. That alien fish, I should say. Okay, wait. First, I'm gonna get my metal salvage. Bleach. Okay, let's do this. Oh, wait. I'm gonna keep the silver ore. I'm not gonna make it. Wait. I have an idea. Okay. Put all of my needs in there. Wait, I have a question. What else do I need? So I need a wiring kit, computer chip, and battery. So wiring kit, computer chip, and battery. Okay, so I put the battery and I need one more. I put that in. Oh no, I need to put my copper. Yeah. Okay, I just need gold. I really just need gold. That's all I need. Gold and silver. That's all I need. I made it out of that cave, that entire cave. But I'm not healed. I forgot to go get a medkit. They take away almost half of your health, both of them together. Yes, I have first aid kit. Okay, I definitely need that. Yay. Yeah. Okay. Come on, one silver. Oh, I'm in the deadly zone. I hate this zone. But I have a higher chance. Okay, let's go to the salt deposit. Yes, I have salt. Okay, so in this area, just to give you something, just telling you, but in this area, oh, what? No! No! I just healed myself. Why do you do this to me? I was just trying to get the limestone. Why do you have to be so rude to me? I'm just trying to get some... Okay. Why do those things always scare me? I mean, I'm in their area, but still. Stop scaring me. I hate these caves. Oh, whoa, he's following me. Never mind. Yeah, I'm good. I'm just gonna go home. Yeah, he started to follow me, but he missed where I went. Well, guys, I tried. That's the best I could do. Well, hope you enjoyed the video. See you in the next video. Bye.